In this video, I'm going to show you how to print selected area in Adobe Reader. So to do this, first you want to open your document and you want to kind of select which area you want to print. So I'm just going to go down here and let's say this is the area I want to print. So the easiest way to do this is to simply go to the top left and click on Edit. Then you want to hover over More and you want to click on Take a Snapshot. When you do this, you want to kind of just select the area you want to print. So I'm going to click with my left mouse button and drag it like that. And let's say this is now fine. So I'm going to release it. There we go. It's going to say it's being copied. Press OK. And then don't press anywhere. This is going to get highlighted just like this. When this happens, go and click on the printer button top left. And then in here, automatically under pages to print, it's going to be selected as selected graphic. Now, as you can see here, only this part I selected is over here, and I can just then select my printer. I can select all the properties, page sizing and handling, and then I can hit the print button over here, and it's going to print only that specific selected area. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.